Good afternoon and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners vlog for today. Well, today is the 7th of April 2018. So I've got lots planned today on my allotment for this afternoon. I did post this morning that it's going to be decent weather in Sheffield, and an hour after I posted that it absolutely chucked it down. But I managed to get on this afternoon and it's bright enough for the time being, so hopefully I'll be able to get the work done what I want to get done. Yeah, so lots planned for today, so keep an eye on today's vlog of what I get done. The task is going to be planting all these strawberries out. Hopefully we'll not get any more snow, but strawberry plants are quite hardy, so they should be okay outside now, so they can get started to grow, ready for summer. They won't produce much strawberries because they're first year plants, but I'll get a couple on each one. I've got about 50 plants, some have died off, so I don't think I'll be planting them ones, but yeah, plenty to plant out. Just checking on my frog spawn, and it seems to be doing alright. Some of them seem to be getting a bit bigger. You can't really tell from this video. But yeah, getting bigger, which is a good sign. And my onions are taking alright. All the green shoots, and my garlic is looking spot on. And those are where I planted my potatoes. Keeping an eye out for any shoots coming up so I can keep covering them up. Keep on top of that. And this is where I'm going to plant my new strawberry bed, in this spot here. So I've got to get all that ready. And next week's task is to take on all that, all down this side, ready to re-put up in a better way, and hopefully extend it a bit further up to that bit there at the top. Just got to add to the plot, and look at my seeds, they're growing. So it's time to take the cling film off and let them grow. A lot of weeds growing in these ones here. I've reused compost. Might not be my finest thing I've done, but hopefully I'll be able to tell the difference between weeds and the actual seeds, hopefully. But we'll see. Some little marigolds growing. So yeah, we're getting on. Now that was hard work. All the bed cleared out, not brilliantly, but it will do the job for what I'm planning on doing. Now just to get it ready to plant my strawberries in. I'll show you how I'm doing that. Okay, so now I've covered it with black plastic, black membrane. Not that cheap material stuff, it's the proper tough plasticky stuff that won't disintegrate. That material stuff is absolutely rubbish. You might see it cheap in shops, but don't buy it, it's not worth it. It'll just disintegrate after a year. So then, after you've got your black membrane on, what I do is every other square put a slit in it and do the opposite. So I've got one on the next line. So then it gives them plenty of room to grow. You're not cramming them together too much. And then it's ready to plant the strawberries in it. You want it to look like, it'll be like that. Every alternate square. So this is what they'll look like. Just planted through it. The reason why I use black membrane is A, to stop the weeds. Saves on weeding, and it also keeps them moist, which helps them grow really well. I did it last year and I got an abundance of crop, hence why I extended my strawberry bed. And like I keep saying, you can never have enough strawberries. So yeah, busy. So that is the finished article. Planted 30 strawberry plants. You probably think, if you were doing it, you'd get more in by fitting them every square, but trust me, they do grow out. I'll show you what they do grow like. What I did the same thing for. Just got a couple more spaces at the front to fit some more plants in. So yeah, that's the reason why I space them out every square. Well, thank you for watching today's vlog. Certainly been hard work, a lot harder than I thought it would be. The ground was wet, really wet, so it was heavy lifting it. But it all helps getting muscles, I suppose, and keeping fit. Just a reminder, please hit the subscribe button below to get notifications of when I upload these vlogs. About 5 off 200. Let's get to 200 by end of weekend. That would be absolutely amazing. Please feel free to like the video and comment any advice or if you found anything useful in this video today. But yeah, please keep on watching them and I'll be back with another one shortly. Thank you for watching.